Hi everyone, welcome back to my video. I will be sharing with you the ultimate guide to growing carrots from seed. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned gardener, this guide will provide you with all the tips and tricks you need to grow healthy and delicious carrots in your own garden. So let's get started. The first tip to growing carrots from seed is to choose the right seeds. Look for seeds that are fresh and healthy and that are suited to your climate and growing conditions. You can find carrot seeds at your local nursery or garden center, or you can order them online. Carrots grow best in well drained soil that is loose and free of rocks and debris. Before planting your seeds, prepare the soil by removing any weeds or debris and adding compost or other organic matter to improve the soil quality. Once your soil is prepared, it's time to plant the seeds. Make shallow furrows in the soil and plant the seeds about half an inch deep. Space the seeds about 2 inches apart and cover them with soil. Water the soil gently to keep it moist. As your carrot grow, it is important to keep the soil moist and weed free. Water your carrots regularly and use a hoe or other tool to remove any weeds that might to competing with your plants for nutrients. You can also add fertilizer or other nutrients to the soil to help your carrots grow strong and healthy. Once your carrots have reached maturity, it's time to harvest them. Gently loosen the soil around the carrots with a fork and pull them up by the leaves. Be careful not to damage the roots and avoid leaving your carrots in the ground for too long as they can become taut and woody. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to growing carrots from seed. With these tips and tricks, you will be able to grow healthy and delicious carrots in your own garden in no time. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more gardening tips and tricks.